Yeah, this one's impressive. This is now our 9-inch pie plate with the ceramic server. It's already popular. We showed it to you at the beginning of the show. Now you can beautifully prepare your pie, you can cook it, you can bake it, you can serve it all in one place. Or even, I mean, pie, quiche, appetizer, everything in here. This is a beautiful, just a baker. But we're calling it a pie plate because we have to call it something.
Yeah, to call it something. We are going to work on that naming, but we do have to call it something. But I want you to think of this as really like your round baker. But it also serves as that 9-inch deep dish pie dish. So it is 9 inches in circumference. I'm showing you the red doodle. Look at the beautiful scalloping all along the edge. Absolutely stunning. And to me, the exclamation point right there is the coordinating server.
That.
Like, this is what brings entertaining to a new level. It just heightens the experience. And look at the great colors that we have.
Yeah, okay, so we do have woodlands for you, and we have the buttercream. Wait, from the side, I would like to
so we can
show
try
it so we
that
can
wood
see
grain pattern.
the woodland. How many? 100 in the buttercream? Perfect. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Okay, 100 remaining in the buttercream. We also have the white woodland, 180 to go around. We have the slate blue.
Yeah.
Most limited, 4 dozen available.
How pretty that is. Wow.
Oh, wow. And then right next to it is the gray. I love that they're right next to each other so you can see the slight difference.
And you can feel this pattern.
100 available
That's
in
it. Got
this
it.
gray. All right, so now we have Doodle Doo. We have the red doodle. Thank you. Fantastic. And we also have the black doodle available. And seasonal, we have Patriotic, which we're lucky to have it right now. I love that Patriotic. And then do we have any more Patriotics on .com? This is it? That's the only Patriotic we have left? Oh wow, just 6 dozen of those. We had them in every other seasonal, but we don't have it anymore. Okay, so just pick your favorite color in this one, but this is such a universal piece. Look at this pie and look at this.
It sure is. And when we talk about baking and serving, let's talk about stoneware. This also in the oven up to 500 degrees, but this is nice and cold. So as we get to the summer months, and it's really important that our food stays safe. So if you're doing cheesecakes or dips or anything seafood, right, we want to make sure it's nice and safe. So you can now chill this in advance. You can now put your pie right in here. And Rosina, I want you to feel that because it just came out of the refrigerator.
It's freezing.
It's freezing.
It's freezing, and it's going to stay cool, right?
It'll stay nice and cold for hours. Beautiful wood grain accent on the woodland right there. And again, the coordinating server that just adds to having like that match set right there. But everything from I love this, our cheesecakes right there.
Yes.
In front of you, we actually have like a deep dish chicken pot pie in the Doodle Doo, of course.
That's what I thought about. That's what I thought about. I said a pot pie, a shepherd's pie in something like this. Obviously, I love that quiche right there in front of me. I mean, there's so much to do in this, and it's a nice depth as well. It's a 2-inch deep dish, and also it's a 9-inch in diameter.
I gotta wow you. I mean, I just have to wow you. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank
look
you
at
for
that
doing that.
Is this a cherry pie?
This is the cherry pie right there. So the fact that you can now bring this right out of the oven, and let's not forget that stoneware is going to be your best friend when you bake, right? It allows you to make some mistakes because it's even heating all the way around. So see how that crust is perfection?
Yes.
You know how hard that is to do? Let stoneware help you. And look at the gorgeous presentation. Blueberry pies, cherry pies. You just talked about peaches? Peach pies.
Yes, I love that.
Caprese salads, 7-layer dips. This is going to handle all of those summer entertaining needs for you.
Hot and cold. It's going to help you with that. And I just love, you know what I just love? The beauty of being able to now take it out of the oven, not having to you don't have to take the pie out and transfer it, I mean, you know, to a pie plate or anything like that. This is going to be the vessel that you're going to serve your friends and family with because that's the whole purpose.
Yes.
It is gorgeous so that you can serve. So you're not doing it in just a random like silver or, you know,
that's right.
Thing, and then you have to transfer it to make it look pretty for the family. It's already done for you, which is so helpful and easy.
Yeah, that's You know, that's why I've been collecting Temp-tations for, Tara and I have worked together for almost 19 years now, because I find it so easy to have in my home. When I go to entertain, I have all the pieces I need. People come on over and they comment like, you didn't have to go to so much trouble. And I'm thinking, I didn't.
I really
just bought
didn't.
the right affordable pieces in my kitchen.
Right.
This is one of them.
I really didn't go through so much trouble,
Yes.
but it looks like it. And it
Don't
looks
tell
like I
anyone.
put so much effort. Yeah, exactly. You don't have to tell anybody. So the Woodlands, we do have buttercream. We do have white Woodland, the always favorite. How many left in this one, Chance? 150 available now in the white Woodland. We have the slate blue, 3 dozen now in the slate blue. The gray. And now Doodle Doo, we have it in the red. I feel like the doodles are so
Yeah, look,
so
I'll tip this so you can. Oh, thanks,
there
you
you go.
guys.
Fantastic. The red doodle, and we have the black doodle. And then the only seasonal we have left is the patriotic, but it's super popular and it's perfect for right now. Only 4 dozen
That's it.
remain
We need
in
potato
the
salad
patriotic.
or macaroni salad in
Yes,
there, or
that is-
coleslaw, right?
That is so great. Oh,
Pile
that's
it
right.
high.
Pile it up high. $21.56. You're getting both pieces with that great server as well. 3 easy payments of $7.19. Clearance price, so you know what that means. Final quantities. When they're gone, they're gone. Pick yours up now.